Don't touch the object. My microphone is a part of me. Your microphone is invisible. On the count of you waking up, Guppy could be anywhere in the room. 1, 2, 3. Wake up! I'm in the room. I'm in the room. Find me. You guys can't find me. You can't find me.
He's over here!
I'm in the room. I'm in the room.
Drew, right here! Drew, right here! Right here! There he is! Out of the boat. Like a Drew. Mr. Mean helping now.
Here I am! I'm on the chair! I'm on the chair. You